Hi, welcome to Chris Cook for You Too. I'm going to do something today that I really should have done before Valentine's Day, but I didn't think about it. But I can do it now, and then you can have it in the future for your Valentine's Day or any special occasion, or just have it when you're sitting around with friends, if this is what you choose. I'm going to be doing chocolate covered strawberries. Now, you only need 2 ingredients, but you can get more. You're going to need some strawberries, and here I have some big strawberries, because normally around Valentine's Day they sell the bigger strawberries. And you're going to need something called Dulci Frutta, and this is sold in your local Walmart store that I know about. It comes in dark chocolate as well as the white chocolate. Now, I'm not going to be doing the strawberries today because I'm not the strawberry expertise person in my home. That will be my daughter. She has a way with these that, I mean, if you can get that niche, it's just really fantastic. So she's going to show you how to do this. Now, this product is $2.50 at your Walmart grocery store. You're going to put it in the microwave, 15 seconds, stir, 15 seconds, stir, and you're going to continue that process until the chocolate really melts down. Now, you can cover your chocolate if you want. You can cover your dark chocolate with a little bitty drizzles of white chocolate. You can cover your white chocolate with little bitty drizzles of dark chocolate, or you can add some sprinkles to it, which is exactly what she's going to be doing today on some of them. This is a very quick process, but I think that if you get the hang of it, that you'll be trying this again and again. And this is the best product to use when you're making covered strawberries. Now, you're going to need some parchment paper. So on the baking sheet, I'm just going to put down a piece of parchment paper, because what you don't want to happen is you don't want your strawberries to stick while they're cooling. Now, this is not just going to be, custom tapered to it. I just want to put it down so that she can put the strawberries on this once she's covered them with chocolate. Now, I've already washed these strawberries, so the only thing I have to do is to paper towel dry them. So I'm going to go away and paper towel dry all of these, and the next time you see her, she will be at the microwave, which is melting the chocolate. Be right back. Okay, now she's going to take this off in front of you just to show you what it looks like before you actually start to microwave it. That's what it looks like. Okay, that's before we start to melt it. Now she's going to put it into the microwave, and it's going to be 15 seconds increments. Not 15 minutes, 15 seconds. So you started on 15 seconds, and you're going to continue to do that until it just melts up or melts, down. So you'll probably have to do that maybe about 2 or 3 times. So we're going to show you, okay, that's 15 seconds. She's going to stir it a little bit. And then once she stirs it a little, she's going to put it back in so it continues. So don't try to do this process all at once. Take the 15 seconds that you need and continue to stir. 15 seconds in the microwave, stir. 15 seconds in the microwave, stir until the process is complete. Because if you try to do it all at once, you may overmix it. And once you overmix it, it's going to get hard. So you don't want that to happen. So you want to continue to undermix it. It's better to be safe than sorry. So undermix it. Then get your stir in. Underheat it. Then get your stir in, and then continue to do it until you get the consistency that you want. And like I said, that may be 2 or 3 times, maybe 3 or 4 times. But however your process works with your microwave, that's all that you have to do. Now, once she gets the consistency that she wants, then we're going to just show you what the consistency actually looks like. That would be the 3rd time of reheating the chocolate right there. And it's a fast process. See, it's not You know, it's not going to take you that long, but you just want to keep on stirring and stirring until you can get the consistency that you really are looking for in order for these strawberries to be coated as good as they should. So we'll try this maybe once or twice more. And we'll just continue to do it until we get it like that. Now I'm letting you watch this process because your microwave may work just like mine works, so it won't really take, you know, a long period of time, but at least you see how many times that I'm putting it in there, so you'll know how many times that you actually have to, you know, keep on putting it back in order for the chocolate to get exactly like you want. Make sure that you put the top back on it because you don't want it to splatter all over everywhere. So we'll try it again, and this may be the last time that we need it. Okay, so we got to keep on going until we can get that like we really want it. Okay, we'll do it again. So I think that's really like time number 5. I'm not sure. But just keep on going. I'm showing you the process because you'll see, you know, that you may say, oh, I think I'm putting this in too many times. No, you're not putting it in too many times. You're just making certain that you get the consistency that you want in order for it to spread evenly on these strawberries. And I'm telling you, this is a real good way to make your strawberries. And once you try it, I think that this is the way you'll be doing it. But this is the product that you would use in order to get a good coating of chocolate on your strawberries. This is the product that you would use, not Hershey's Cocoa or none of those out of the store brands that you just get and just pour it over there. No, it's not that either. Now it's ready. See the consistency? That's the consistency that you're looking for. See how thick it looks? That's ready. So we'll meet you at the table. Okay, now we're at the table and she's getting ready to dip the strawberries. So what you want to do is you want to pick it up by the green leaves that's on the top. So when you pick it up, then you just put it into the chocolate, and that's it. And then you lay it down on parchment paper. Why are you laying it down on the parchment paper? Because it's not going to stick. When I pick it up, it's going to pick up clean. Okay, now this is a real easy way to do this. And you can drizzle if you want to drizzle. Don't have to drizzle. It depends on, you know, a different type of chocolate or some type of actual topping that you want to put on it. And you don't want to put them real close together. You want to spread them out when you put them on there because you don't want them to stick. Okay, like, okay. Now this one is close together, but I'll show you how that will work out. I'll just pull it apart. But you want to put some space between them because the space between them will help each one to dry uniformly all the way around. So you're going to keep on doing that until you get all of your strawberries covered. Now normally for 1 container of strawberries, you need 1 container of the chocolate. Now we have 2 containers because we had 2 containers of strawberries, and I just wanted to show you. So while she's dipping and spreading that out, I'm just going to go ahead before this dries, and I'm going to put just a little bit of sprinkles down on these strawberries. And you don't want to let them get dry first, okay? If you're going to coat them with anything, you want to go ahead on and coat them while they're still wet and the sprinkles can adhere to the chocolate. Okay, so this is how you do it. This is a real simple process. So what we're going to do is we're going to go away and complete this. And once we get it all completed, then I'll bring you back and I'll show you exactly what it looks like. But look at these. See how they're covered? And see the little gloss, and it will not lose that shine. Okay, so that's the good part of it. And you want to make certain that you sit them down on an angle. They're going to go ahead and dry. It's going to take probably about 10 minutes for it to dry solidly. So I'll bring you back and show you what it looks like. Okay, now the strawberries are finished, and see, here they are. We did them all, or she did them all, and I just want to show you what this one is turned around. The reason why it's on this parchment paper, because see, when you pick it up, there's nothing up underneath it. It's clean, and I just used some different types of sprinkles that I had in the background. I just went ahead and used them. But you can cover anything. You can cover bananas. You can cover cantaloupe, honeydew melon. You can even cover, I had these in the cabinet, so I'm just going to cover a pretzel. See? You can even cover a pretzel with this. It doesn't matter what you cover. If you want to cover it with chocolate, one of the better things that I found to eat chocolate on is marshmallows. You can even cover that, and it's quick drying. So if you just lay it down, it'll go head on and it will dry. So I'm going to try one of these in front of you. Melon Hen, get you one. Let's take a little bite. That is so good. I think that if you try this, you are truly going to enjoy it. It is nothing at all like chocolate-covered strawberries. And as always, thank you for watching Chris Cook for You Too. From me and Hen. Bye.